Brothers, this car has a strange problem. Look, I'm starting it now. It runs fine, but when I release the gas, see, it stalls on its own. Do you know why? Let's go check the front. See, it stalled again. This issue has been happening for over half a month. The owner took it to a shop. They suggested cleaning the throttle, changing bearings, flushing the fuel system, and cleaning the intake. Cost $1,800. The owner messaged me. I said, "That's robbery." He said, "It's far. What if I drive back and it's not fixed?" I said, "If I can't fix it, I'll pay the $1,800. Today, let's see if we can solve this without spending a dime." It stalls when releasing the gas. Clearly, there's no idle. Speaking of no idle, I suspect this part is the issue. Look, it's the idle air control valve. Let's remove it and check. It's easy to remove. First, unplug this connector. Then use a screwdriver to remove these two screws. Now pull out the idle control valve. Well, we've found the problem. Look, the valve is covered in thick carbon deposits. No wonder the car won't idle. Now that we've found the cause, isn't it easy to fix? Let's not rush to replace it. We can save money, get a paper towel, lay it down and use cleaner to remove the carbon deposits. See how dirty it is? This valve adjusts the idle speed. If there's too much carbon, it can jam, causing high or low idle. Low idle causes stalling, high idle wastes fuel. Now it's clean. See? It looks like new. Let's install it and test. Installation is simple. Align it with the hole and gently push in. Okay, it's in. Now replace the screws. Finally, plug it back in. All done. Let's start the car and see if it still stalls. Hey, folks, if this fixes it, remember to give me a like. Now for the moment of truth. Watch, I'm not touching the gas. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, rev it up. Again, how's that? Let's check the front. Steady as a rock. That's normal, right? How about that? Wasn't that simple? Hold on tight.